Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and today on A Glimpse Inside, we are happy to announce that we've eclipsed 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we couldn't be happier to give back to the community that helped make this happen for all of us. So, check this out. A couple of sponsored giveaways are happening. One is by microJig. You can check this out over here. They're going to be giving away a few goodies from them, and also Rockler. Love Rockler. They're giving away a prize pack as well. Thank you guys so much for getting on board. We greatly appreciate it. Also, we're giving away some things that are made here in this shop as well. Well, not really made here, but you'll see what I mean in a second. They're from us here at A Glimpse Inside. One is a t-shirt. I'm giving away a t-shirt any size you want, 2XL to small. We have those available. And also, this is probably the coolest prize I'm giving away, even though it may not be the grand prize. This is an insulated coffee mug that has the A Glimpse Inside logo lasered onto it. And why I think it's so cool is that a friend of mine, a fan, reached out and said, hey, I see you got 10,000 subscribers. If you're doing a giveaway, I'd like to be involved with it. He essentially made this for us to give away to you guys. So that's gonna be a prize as well. And then of course the grand prize, any maker could always use another set of drills. This is a drill driver combo. Ridgid is not a sponsor at all. However, I just figured it would be nice, if you win, to have another nice set of drills around, for functionality in the shop. Guys, thank you so much for joining us for this wild and crazy ride that we've been on. And I can't thank you enough. You guys mean the world to us, and we thank you again. Good luck in the giveaway. Also, down below, you're gonna find links to my Instagram account. The Instagram account is the key for the giveaway. I can't do anything on here on YouTube, so make sure to follow me on Instagram for all those details. Guys, thanks again, and we'll see you on the next project.